AI is everywhere. It is writing code, it is creating videos, it is generating images, and now it is designing intuitive user interface. Here are some questions I've been thinking about lately. What happens when AI becomes good enough to do what designers do? Are we looking at a future where AI completely replaces designers? Or is this the beginning of a powerful relationship between designers and machine? Will designers who adapt to AI tools become more valuable in the future? Honestly, the answer is not as simple as most people think, and this is exactly what we will be exploring in this video. If you're new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. My name is Aaron.